the identity number 3 states that the identity number states that a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here this identity 3 states that a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here, based upon this identity, so here let us perform the example number 1. So under this example, let us simplify. Two by 3 p cube minus 3 by 5 q to the power of 5 whole square. So now to perform that simplification, let us start the solution. Here, in order to simplify, to write the simplified form of 2 by 3 p cube minus 3 by 5 q power 5 whole square, we have to utilize the identity. So a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Since 2 by 3 p cube minus 3 by 5 cube to the power of 5 whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square, when we compare a replaced by means of the first term 2 by 3 p cube, b must be replaced by means of the second term, that is 3 by 5 cube to the power of 5. So here, but we know that identity a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now based upon this, we are going to simplify 2 by 3 p cube minus 3 by 5 q to the power of 5 whole square, but we have to compare the terms within the brackets. So here a must be replaced by 2 by 3 p cube and b must be replaced by 3 by 5 to the power of 5 in the identity number 3. So here at a is equals to 2 by 3 p cube and b is equals to 3 by 5 q to the power of 5, the result will be of, in its expansion, in the expansion of a minus b whole square, the expanded form, the product is of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a must be replaced in order to expand this condition 2 by 3 p cube minus 3 by 5 q power 5 whole square. A value is of 2 by 3 p cube, but it must be squared, minus 2 into a value is of 2 by 3 p cube into b value is of 3 by 5 q power 5. So it is of 3 by 5 q power 5 plus b square, b is of 3 by 5 q power 5, but it must be squared, whereas in the expansion it is of b square. So here the middle term 2 into 2 by 3 p cube into 3 by 5 q square. So here there is on into symbols in between, denominator 3 and the numerator 3 gets cancelled by means of ones, 3 ones in the denominator and 3 ones in the numerator. So here square is applicable for both numerator and denominator of the first term. So here 2 square can be written as 2 2s are 4 in the numerator and 3 square can be written as 9, 3 3 is 9 in the denominator, and pq must be squared. So pq whole to the power of 2 must be written as it is. And the last term 3 by 5 whole to the power of 2, square is applicable for all the terms within the bracket. So 3 must be repeated twice, 3 3s is of 9 in the numerator and 5 5 is 25 in the denominator, and q to the power of 5 must be squared, that is q power 5 whole power 2 must be written as it is. Whereas the middle term 2 2s is of 4, so 4 in the numerator and the denominator will be of 5, and p cube q power 5 will be written as it is. So the next logical step will be of, so 2 square 4 and 3 square 9 will be written as it is. So here 4 by 9, so that equals to, or that implies 2 square value is 4 and 3 square value is of 9 and p to the power of 3 but whole square must be written as it is. So here p to the power of 3 whole square written as it is minus middle term 2 2 is of 4 and the denominator will be 5. 4 by 5 p cube q power 5. 4 by 5 p cube q power 5. So here minus 4 by 5 p cube q power 5 plus, so here 3 square is of 9 and 5 square is of 25. 3 square 9 and 5 square 25. 9 by 25 q power 5 whole power 2. So here next term will be of plus 3 square 9 and 5 square 25 q to the power of 5 but whole to the power of 2 must be written as it is. So that implies, so here 4 by 9 written as it is in the form of a power m whole power n type. Last term also consists q power 5 whole power 2 is in the form of a power m whole power n. So here I am utilizing the identity that is a power m whole power n is equals to a power m bracket n, that is m must be multiplied with n. So based upon this identity, so I am going to write this logical step as, so p power 3 whole power 2, say m is in the place of m, say there is of 3 and n must be replaced by means of 2. So here p to the power of a power m into n on the right hand side, so here p to the power of m into n as 3 into 2. So here 3 bracket indicates into 2, here we have applied this identity. Then now minus 4 by 5 p cube q power 5 written as it is, then now plus 9 by 25, then now q to the power of, here also we are using this identity a power m whole power n type, so m into n on the other hand, so here q to the power of m into n 5 bracket 2, that is 5 must be multiplied with 2. So here I utilized this condition to write this logical step. Then now that implies 4 by 9 p to the power of 3 2 is of 6 minus 4 by 5 p cube q to the power of 5 plus 9 by 25, then now q to the power of 5 2 is of 10. So in this manner, so I got, so here hence 2 by 3 p cube 2 by 3 p cube minus 3 by 5 q power 5. So here 3 by 5 q power 5 whole square gives us the result as 4 by 9 p to the power of 6 minus 4 by 5 p cube q power 5 plus 9 by 25 q to the power of 10. So now in this manner I say let us perform